Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Salesforce how to delete users. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In Salesforce, you cannot delete a user once created, but you can deactivate the user instead. To do it, simply head over and open up your Salesforce on your web browser. Once you're inside, simply log into your account and then click on the gear icon on the top right. Then select setup inside, and then in the left hand quick find box, type and click users under users, then find the user you want to deactivate, click on their full name to open your user details, and then simply click on edit and uncheck the box next to active and then click on save. Now there are things that you can keep in mind is you cannot deactivate a user if they are the sole owner of records like accounts or opportunities, they're assigned as default workflow user, approval manager, or running scheduled jobs. In that case, reassign those responsibilities first and then you can deactivate the selected user. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.